Serum Institute. What could a potential merger between Serum Institute and Cipla mean for both companies and for the pharmaceutical space? We've got Surajit Pal of Prabhudas Lilladher joining us now. Good afternoon, Surajit. How did you react when you heard Cyrus Poonawalla say those words, saying, a merger with Cipla could be something that both companies are interested in?
I think, it would be, if this happens, then it would be a very unusual marriage, in a sense that both of their specialization is in different areas. So
right.
Synergy per se is very difficult to look into it currently. But two areas where they could leverage their position, in a sense that Cipla has a lot of experience into institutional business, in a sense that tender business which has been funded by multilateral organizations like UNICEF, WHO. Serum also into that area in terms of selling globally their vaccines. So that could be the area where Cipla doesn't have any reach, so they could leverage that position. Another thing is that Cipla is developing their front end in Europe. So Serum does not have much of a presence over there. So they might be utilizing those front end to reach into Europe. But the point is that their front end is more specialized in anti-asthma area, whereas vaccine, I don't think they have much of experience over there. And Cipla's business is very much focused on brand. So I really don't understand how it could be done, but definitely they have something in mind.
So Mr. Poonawalla alluded to the fact that any potential merger conversation will sort of depend on how their initial relationship fructifies from here on. From what I remember, Cipla has signed a deal with Serum Institute to market some of its vaccines, specifically pediatric vaccines. What do we know about how that process is working, and whether Cipla's wide distribution abilities will in fact be one of the key reasons for why such a combination could take place?
Yes, Cipla has pediatric presence in domestic market, but they are not specialized per se, like Lupin in pediatric in US. So Cipla does not have per se that kind of experience that they are very focused on pediatric. They have pediatric products. So I think definitely distribution network could be the attractive point for Serum to reach up to Cipla to have that kind of merger, if anything, in future.
Surajit, hi, good afternoon. So in case the merger was to go through, would the market be negative? Would the market react negatively on Cipla, or do you think it would be incrementally positive?
See, I don't know much about Serum because Serum is private company. But given their reputation in vaccine, I think definitely it's a size expansion for Cipla. So it will be EPS accretive from the very first day. As far as market is concerned, market will be happy to lap it up because ultimately that will drive your valuation.
I think one of the issues that Cipla has been grappling with, and because, there are constant rumors about, is Cipla going to sell out, is Cipla going to sell out, and, Dr. Hamid's succession plans, whether there is someone as charismatic as him to lead the company forward. And I'm just wondering whether the coming together of these two companies resolves any of those pending issues.
I think even if, I don't know. First of all, I don't know whether there could be any kind of sellout happening, or there is any kind of trying for that. But the point is that if anything of that sort to happen for Cipla, Cipla should have something in hand to get the bigger valuation by a, say, large generic company like, say, Teva or anybody else. But the point is that for that Cipla has to wait 2 to 3 years to get anything solid offer on that line if they are expecting very big valuation for that. But I think if what Poonawalla indicates, if that happens, then definitely those plans will be pushed, back in the burner.
So if you knew for sure, and right now it's, I won't say speculative, but it's in very initial stages, as Dr. Poonawalla himself indicated. But if you knew for sure that a Cipla and Serum Institute, combination was likely, would that change your outlook on the Cipla stock price in any big way? How would it impact, your view on the Cipla stock?
I think it will be positive, but as far as I think it will be positive in a sense of return ratio. ROE, ROCE will be definitely be much rosier. Might be at the cost of operating margin, because vaccine generally margin is lesser. And they also need to put a lot of R&D in terms of high value vaccines, like say oncology vaccine, like say hepatitis C vaccine. Those are high value vaccine. They need to put a lot of money in R&D. So that is another area to look into it. But initially ROE and ROC will be rosier because of this kind of acquisition.
Okay, final question from my end then, Surajit. Cipla stock has done well. I mean, Cipla and Lupin have outperformed both Sun and Dr. Reddy's over the last 1 year. From valuation point of view, what's your call on Cipla stock?
I think they have already showing the value what they could achieve in next year or two in terms of anti-asthma product. The point is that if they get approval in UK, then this valuation is justified. But if I have to give valuation in European market where their anti-asthma product is not automatically substitutable to the branded one or to the patented one, in that case, I believe the valuation is bit more than what it deserves, because in branded area, to convince the doctor, to convince the insurance companies to include in their formularies is a time-consuming game. So if I give such a valuation, then I am discounting 3-4 years potential for the company.
All right, we're going to leave it there. Surajit, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. That's the view on a potential deal, if at all, between Cipla and Serum Institute. Now, we're going to head into a break, but before that, here's our closing bell money control question of the day. Is Tata Motors a good buy after
financial year? 7.25 rupees, and the fourth quarter is not out yet. So we're already talking about a dividend yield of 5.25% on